Welcome to my campsite number 24 at Valley View Park. I've started a fire early because the piles of wood they delivered me are incredibly large. So here's my little fire about 20 to 7 in the evening. I always keep a pot of water on the back of the stove gently warming for all the things I need. And I'm going to shut up now and let you have a listen and a look at the glory of sitting quietly in a mixed maple and birch forest while there's a lovely breeze that's keeping the mosquitoes away. And just listen to the sounds